I'm so sorry.
Ouch, my goodness, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. No, I mean, fellow student, why are you so easily embarrassed? Don't do things if you're embarrassed. A big sneeze accompanied by a little rain. I thought the sky was falling. I really threw up. Look at me. Are you allergic? You sneezed on me. I was sleeping soundly. A sneeze made me jump off the ground. You've taken over the high ground. How rude you are. You're embarrassed. You're deliberately doing this. Who would sneeze on someone? You're a hoy to go to the bathroom. Are you in such a hurry? That bad guy. You're really bad. I've never heard what a sneeze sounds like. Who was like you? Hey, you're calling for the soul, shouting in my ear. Oh no, I really am.